Alanke.com.
The UN mission in Somalia is crucial to Somalia's future, and during his tenure as a leader, Nikkei worked with the government of the Republic of Somalia to help shape a new vision for better Somalia and its people.
And dear friend, Ray, Deputy SRSG. Today I think is also a happy and a positive day as well. Happy for me, first because I'm going home and I'm going back to my family. Happy for me also because, as the Minister says, I think we can truly see that in Somalia there is an unstoppable momentum now to peace, to stability and prosperity and democracy, and that unstoppable momentum was not here 3 years ago. It is here now, and it's thanks to the Somalis themselves, it's thanks to international partners, and it's thanks most of all to the United Nations colleagues that I've had the privilege to work with.
We'll take a few moments. Now we can take a few moments for photo opportunity with SRGK.
Too many fond memories, but essentially the brightness of the smiles of the Somalis, the sharpness of their arguments in the negotiations, their resilience. When they're bombed, they build the next day. Within weeks the hotels are open again and everything goes on. So great admiration for the Somali people and a great gratitude to the UN colleagues and the African Union colleagues who sacrificed so much here over the last few years.
Alanke.com.